Architects and students, here are 5 proven side hustles that can earn you real money in 2026. Let's go.
Number 1. Freelance 3D rendering. Developers and real estate agents pay $500 to $5,000 per image. If you know Lumion or Blender, you're already qualified.
Number 2. Software tutoring. Charge $30 to $120 per hour, teaching Revit, Rhino, or Grasshopper to students. Fastest hustle to start with zero upfront cost.
Number 3. Digital products. Sell templates, scripts, and design packs online. Build once, sell forever. Top sellers make $3,000 to $8,000 a month passively.
Number 4. Architectural model making and 3D printing. Firms and developers pay premium prices for physical models. One good printer setup and you're in business.
Number 5. Print-on-demand architecture art. Turn your drawings and designs into prints, sold on Etsy and Redbubble. Zero inventory, zero shipping, pure profit.
I've packed everything, pricing guides, case studies, and a 90-day launch plan into a full ebook and workbook. Get it exclusively on my Patreon, CivilMix.
Join CivilMix on Patreon for the full guide. Subscribe for more architecture income tips. See you in the next one.